Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to add bullet points to text in Figma, whether you're crafting wireframes, designing presentations, or just keeping your layouts organized, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to quickly and cleanly add bullet lists to your text, making your designs clearer and much more professional. Let's jump right in and get started. First, of course, you'll want to have Figma open and ready to go. Go ahead and open up your project, or just open a new file if you're following along for practice. This is your canvas for creativity, so don't worry if you've got a jumble of text or a totally blank page right now. For this tutorial, I've got some sample text ready, but you can use any text you like. Think of a list of features, steps in a process, or even meeting notes. The point is, any group of items you want to make clearer can benefit from some simple bullet points. Now, to add those helpful bullets, your first step is to select all the text you want to organize. Click and drag your mouse over the words, or if it's a text box, simply click right into it and press Ctrl+A or Command+A on Mac to highlight everything quickly. It's important to select exactly what you want to turn into a list. If you miss a section, it won't get bullet points, and you might end up with an incomplete list. Take a second here to double-check your selection. Trust me, a little carefulness here saves cleanup later. With your text ready, now look towards the top of the Figma interface. You'll see a section for text controls. This is where the magic happens for type settings. There's quite a bit up here, but don't let that overwhelm you. What you're looking for is the typography area, usually found near the font selections. Click on the Type Settings button. Sometimes this looks like a little T with sliders or some kind of text icon depending on your version. You'll see options pop up for text styling, including all sorts of things like font weight, alignment, and yes, lists. Give yourself a moment to find the list style option in that menu. This is where you can switch between different list types, but for our purpose, you want to select the bullet list. Don't worry if the exact icon varies a little bit. Hover over the buttons and look for the one that says bullet list when you mouse over it. Once you click on it, you'll immediately see your selected text transform into a clean, bulleted list. Each new line in your selection should start with a bullet point, making it instantly easier to scan and much tidier. And that's it. It seems almost too easy, right? But those simple bullet points go a long way in boosting the clarity and professionalism of your designs. Whether you're presenting information to a client or just organizing ideas for yourself, bullet points help your audience understand at a glance. If you hit any snags, maybe the bullets aren't showing or the style looks off, don't worry. Give your text selection another look or double-check you're in the right type of text box. Sometimes things just need to be reselected or refreshed. That's totally normal. Thanks so much for following along. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And if you have any questions about Figma text formatting or want to see more tips like this, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next one.